In this scenario, we will look at when you want to prescribe different doses on different days. In this example, we'll consider a daily levothyroxine dose alternating between 25 micrograms one day and 50 micrograms on the next day. We begin on the prescribing medication chart. From the chart view, select Prescribe. Click on the search box and we will quickly enter the name of the drug for you. Click on Search. And then select the single named option. In this scenario, we're going to select levothyroxine in the form tablet, but we won't specify the tablet's strength, as this gives nurses flexibility to use any strength available. We'll be starting the first dose tomorrow morning, because we are prescribing this after 9 AM today. The start date is automatically set for tomorrow. If you were prescribing this earlier than 9 AM, the start date would default to today. Always check this date, as it's really easy to start doses on incorrect days, particularly when prescribing just after dose times. Now to specify the schedule, click the drop down and select Alternate Days. You can see here there is a lot of flexibility in how we can prescribe on varying schedules. We will now need to enter a dose of 25 micrograms, so click into the dose field. We will quickly enter in the dose. Then click on the drop down and select micrograms. You can see the calendar grid indicates which days this dose will be prescribed for. We need to indicate the dose for the alternative days. We do this by clicking on AND to add the second dose. This replicates what we have just entered. However, we want 50 micrograms on the alternating days. So in this new section, we'll set the dose as 50 micrograms. Click into the dose field and we will quickly enter this for you. We can see that the 25 microgram dose starts on the 17th of July. But we want this dose to be on alternate days, so we need to change the 50 microgram dose to be on the 18th of July. Select the appropriate start date from the calendar. The calendar grid now shows that the 50 microgram dose will be prescribed for the alternating days. We can now click to select Continue. You are taken to the Medications to be added screen, which allows you to check the dose and frequency and amend it if required. We are happy with the information, as we can see the different start dates, and so we can click on Update to save our prescription. Here we can see the levothyroxine prescribed to start on the 17th of July, and here we can see the levothyroxine prescribed to start on the 18th of July. The white dots clearly indicating the alternate day prescribing, showing the days the alternating doses will be due. Since this prescription was added as an AND order, if you needed to edit the prescription at any point, both lines would be edited as they are linked.